Namaste. मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियोज with धागा इंदौर से. So yes, it's Friday 2 p.m. and I'm back with something new, something special for you. And for the first time, we are launching our Chanderi collection. So let me show you our Chanderi collection. Before showing you the collection, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकॉन जिससे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. इवन यू कैन शेयर विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. You can follow us on Instagram also. The page is studio_sui_dhaga by Anuja Jain. Okay, for more details you can connect with us. You can visit our website also, that is www.studiosuidhaga.com. So this was the information to get connected with us. So let me start showing you today's collection. These are beautiful, comfortable wear for office wear also. These are Chanderi suit sets and they are pocket friendly also. So let me show you each and every piece is a single piece, is a designer piece, as well as we have two variety in it. One is simple Chanderi and second is Chanderi with embroidered work on it. So first I'll start with the simple ones. So like you can see, the one piece I have displayed on the dummy. So it's a Chanderi suit set. It's a dupatta. It has print like this. And इसकी neckline पे देखेंगे it's a pattern over here and just small mirror work is here, very small booties of mirror work. And this is your kurta and plain bottom is there. So this is our first piece on the red color. We have more prints on the red color. So first I'll show you the red color. We have same print, one more piece. Then this is the second piece we have. Only there is a difference of these booty. Rest piece is similar. Then we have a beautiful navy blue color. Then we have a lovely magenta. I'll open this piece for you. So this is your top, this is your bottom. मजेंटा में ये प्रिंट्स दिया हुआ है, बाकी के प्लेन्स हैं. एंड दिस इज द ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा ऑफ मजेंटा कलर. So we have 4-5 colors in it: magenta, blue, red and black. So black we have 3-4 pieces and all 4 pieces have a different print. So this is the first print. This is the first print, plain bottom. This is the dupatta. So this was the first print. Then this is the second print. And this is the fourth print. And this is the next print. So it's like and of course you will get the pictures also to look at them properly. So this was the collection on these the different colors on this. Then we have floral prints combinations. So this is the first one. this is chanderi. This is full chanderi. Bottom and top both are in chanderi. And this is the dupatta. So this is the first combination. Then we have second combination. The bottom is of cotton and this is your top and this is your dupatta. Then we will have full chanderi. It's a lovely peach color. Color थोड़ा सा difference आता है and with the beige color bottom and this is the dupatta. This is full chanderi set. So this was the first combination. Then second we have a tone of dark pink. It's not the peach, it's a dark pink with lemon yellow and this is the dupatta. These are very refreshing kinds of colors. Then we have it's a orange and sea green. It's a very different kind of combination. So you can see, even if you want, you can make 2 kurtis out of these and team up with your plain pants. Then we have lemon yellow, so this is the combination of lemon yellow with the sea green. Then we have a beautiful beige color combination. So this is your kurta and sea green with, and this is the dupatta. So this is how the combinations. These are very different and lovely combinations, and pricings are really friendly, easy, pocket friendly kind of. These all are just for 2000 each. Yes, these are just for 2000 each. And now I'll show you the embroidered one. So first piece that I have displayed, so it's like these are also on chanderi, but this has a panel of embroidered. The neckline is embroidered and this is the bottom and this is the dupatta, and of course they are accessorized with tassels, fabric tassels. So this is the first piece. Then in the same we have one more print. So this is the another print in it. This is the bottom. Dupatta. So it's a lovely combination. have few pieces on these. Then it's a lovely bottle green set. So you can see this is the neckline. Beautiful kantha work is done on it, and this navy blue color bottom is here. And I just love the dupatta. It's a geometrical print. So yes, now you can see a full set. Yes, it's a lovely set. Then second we have on the mustard and red combination. So this is your kurta, and red, plain red is your bottom, and this dupatta is really so nice. Each and every dupatta is very different dupatta. Then again a very beautiful combination on the mustard. इसके neckline पे work नहीं है, but it has this panel has this beautiful work. Come closer. इसकी पूरी बूटीज बना हुआ है, ऑल ओवर बॉडी पे बूटीज है, एंड दिस इज द पैनल वर्क इज गिवन ऑन इट, एंड प्लेन रेड इज द बॉटम, एंड इट हैज दिस ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा. So this is also a very lovely combination. Then we have the same prints but on a different contrast. It's a red with mustard. Mustard is the bottom combination. And here is the dupatta. So this is the chanderi one, and this is the bottom, and this is the dupatta. It's a very different combination. Then we have got one full set on cotton. This is not on chanderi, but somehow we got it in this collection. So this is also has a very beautiful hand embroidery done on it. You can see it's a full cotton set. And this is the dupatta. It's a very beautiful one, a jal print, and it has this bottom. This is the bottom print. This is the kurta. So guys, this was the beautiful collection on the chanderi suit sets, and the first one pricing was 2000, and the second one, the embroidered one, are for 2300 each, and this is the offer of the day. and please do share your suggestions and feedbacks with us through your comments so that we came to know कि आप हमसे क्या चाहते हैं. If you want some changes in our collection, what exactly you are looking out for, please write in the comment box. Okay, अगर आपने अभी तक भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है हमारा चैनल तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल. Every Friday at 2 p.m. we launch some new products from our collection for you people. You can follow us on Instagram also. And now I will show you all the pictures of these suit sets with their code, with their pricing, so you can connect with me and order your suit sets. Okay, so this was Anuja Jain from Studio Sui Dhaga. See you next week, same time, same channel, Friday 2 p.m. See you. Have a nice day.